Alright guys, and randomize the players for the All-Star Game bobblehead pool number 1. We go live. We are live. 7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. Grab the list here. All we're doing is randomizing the player list to be matched up with the numbers you picked. There we go. 8 entries, 2 dice, 5 or higher. 8, that's good. 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Dice is 8. Next click. Got your players. At 8, here's the order you guys got. Drop it in the bottom. We're done. 7:30 p.m. Done. We will type done. We are done. 7:30. 7:31 just clicked over. Timestamp.